Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for all the love and support. Today is going to be a different type of video. I'm going to be remodeling my third room in my house. I'm going to be turning it into my studio. So just stay tuned if you want to see how I accomplish this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel and turn on that post notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Bye guys, love you.
I like that. 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 I like
Okay, just like I said before, don't judge me. It looks a little crazy in here, but we going. But I'm gonna get all this stuff situated. Don't worry, it's gonna come together. I have a vision, and I'm going to achieve it. So let's get it designed. Mom, look at this.
That was your first designer bag. Antoine gave it to you when you was 9? 10?
I remember this, but I don't. They say little bags is in there. I don't know. So as you can see, this room was dedicated to being my closet. For the most part, it's my stuff in here. My mom had 3 little bags in here, but that was nothing compared to the clothes and just the school supplies and all the extra stuff I had lying around in this room. So I figured it was time to go through everything and get this room situated. I found my girl Penny. Comment down below if you used to watch The Proud Family. That used to be my all-time favorite TV show to watch when growing up. I know what y'all might be saying, like, dang, this girl got a lot of clothes, but y'all, I promise you, I went through everything that I wore and that I didn't wear, and I just decided to give some things away and keep some things, you know? Like, and I have a little sister who I gave my clothes to too, so she benefited very well from this little room transformation. The way I separated these clothes was I just put my shorts and pants and stuff like that in one pile. My hoodies and sweatshirts and things that I had to hang up, I put in another pile. My night clothes in another pile. My undergarments in another. And that's what you see me doing right here, just separating those clothes. You see how I will incorporate this rack into my room, but I got this rack from Home Depot, I believe. My mom, she got it for me. I have another one as well. We normally use it to like dry clothes, like hang wet clothes so they can dry. But I decided to use this one for my room just to add a little bit of aesthetic to the room and just hang up a few of my pieces. Now to the fun part. I'm just going to vacuum the floor a little bit, and then I'm going to start bringing in the rest of the decor into the room. This table is something that will be replaced eventually. It's all I have right now, but once I start to buy more things for the room, this will be the first thing to get upgraded. This is actually a shoe rack or a shoe holder that I'm going to use to hold like just some decor. I can't remember where I got this light or this shoe rack from, but I've had it for quite some time now. And this director chair that you see, I got that for Christmas off of Amazon, and that's where I do my clients' makeup at. Hey guys, so it is the next day, and I was just too exhausted to film myself yesterday when I was done because I was burned out. Like, I just went ham yesterday. Some of my friends and family members had asked me if I thought it was going to take more than one day, but I was like, no, I had tunnel vision. I did not want this to be a prolonged project. It was well overdue just because that room was like our closet. Like, well, it was really my closet. I had a lot of my clothes in there. My mom had some stuff in there, but majority of the stuff we needed to go through anyway, so I was like, why not? And when she said I could turn it into a studio, you already know I had to jump on it before she changed her mind. So I'm really pleased with the result. You guys all are pleased with the results as well. Now how the room is set up now is not how it's going to be forever, because I want to do some upgrading. Like, I want to get a new desk, a real desk and not a table. I want to get a new chair, some wallpaper, some like room decor, maybe like, I don't know, just little accent pieces and stuff on the wall. But yeah, it's enough of me rambling. Let's go ahead and show you the room. Okay, so when you first walk in over here, I just put my makeup caboodle over here that holds like all my extra makeup, my makeup that I don't use every day. Like, maybe if I had like a client or something, I like got a different shade of foundation or concealer, stuff like that. That's all in there. Right here I just have this Pier 1 Imports room spray. It smells so good. Enchanted Paradise smells so good. I'm so mad that they're going out of business. Here, this is one of the centerpieces that I kept from my sweet 16 birthday party that my mom just made, and this was just an extra flower I just put inside of it. Right here I have some of my favorite lip glosses. I have these two Too Faced lip glosses that I really love. They're really nice. I have these two Milani lipsticks, liquid lipsticks that I really like. I have my favorite Morphe lip gloss. I have MAC again, my favorite Buxom lip glosses, and some Fenty back there. Right here is my book of goals that I just keep, and I just write down new goals in it. Right here is this Skin Blur by Fasali, I think that's how you pronounce it, but I just wanted to try that out, so I just left that there. And back here are all my palettes. I counted them. I have 24 of them now. But I just have like book holders on the ends of each side of the palettes, and they're just stacked like that. Right here is my vanity mirror that I just do my makeup in. Over here we have some brushes that I use, I need to clean, and some more brushes back there, and my Mario Badescu setting spray, facial spray, some paper towels, and just the elephant in Paris, the Eiffel Tower. I love elephants, they're my favorite, and I love gold, so I had to get it. And it smells good. It's like scented. It has like stuff inside of it. You can like, it smells so good. And the Eiffel Tower has the same thing. Over here is just a bunch of bags that I use to carry my makeup when I travel back and forth inside of this big makeup bag that I use. This is just a Gucci eyeglass case. Back here I have some micellar water, the makeup remover, and just my spray bottle. Over here I have my mannequin doll head and some Lysol wipes and some Windex. Over here, it's just so messy, y'all. I know where everything is at. I did organize it, but I just keep rearranging it. But it's just some makeup, the makeup that I use. Right here is like, this is like, I would say like toiletries in this bin. Right here are like hair tools, like combs, flat irons, blow dryers, headbands, hair ties, that stuff. Down there is like hair products that I use, and over here is my gel. Right here are the t-shirts that I use to dry my hair, because I don't dry my hair with a towel, I dry my hair with a t-shirt. This is just a mirror that I have right here. And then right here are my two ring lights that I have. Right here, I just have a bag that I got from Aldo, I think it was. And then I have my MCM bag. And then I have my Chanel bag. I said Chanel. One day, sis. One day. Then I have my Coach bag. And just a few leftover hangers. And then I have like some jackets and shirts and sweatsuits and stuff like that. Nothing too major. Some coats. Down there I have like a little stool and a pillow. A heart-shaped pillow and a little stool. Over here I have my Nicole sign and another one of those centerpieces that I have from my Sweet 16 birthday party, a lamp, and my Louis Vuitton shoebox. Then I have my Coco Chanel book that I got when I went to a fashion exhibit with my mom, and I got that book from there. They had like all the Dior pieces on display. It was really nice, but it was in Philly. This is my Daisy perfume. I wear it, but I don't wear it often, so I'm like, let me just, you know, decorate the room. Here's my graduation picture that you guys see a lot of the time in the back whenever I'm doing my makeup. Down here are some awards that I got when I was in school. Well, I got this from my college, and this one I got from like middle school. Don't even mind it, but I just thought it was cute. So this is like a little tassel thing that I got when I graduated, and my two little teddy bears back there. And over here I have some candles. I love the way this, y'all, this strawberry pound cake candle from Bath and Body Works, well, White Barn, get y'all some. And over here I have my chair where I do my clients' makeup. And that's it, guys. I did it. I feel so accomplished because y'all saw how this room looked before, and now it looks like this. Like, look like a new room. Look like somebody new moved into this house. But anyway, I hope you guys all enjoyed me rearranging my room and me giving you a little tour of how it looks now. Keep in mind that this is not how it's going to look forever. Once I do order new stuff for this room, I will remember to keep you guys updated and give you guys another room tour once that's all complete. But for now, this is how it looks. I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And if you liked this video, you already know what to do. Subscribe and turn on post notifications, because if you're not, then what are you, like, what? You want to be notified every time I upload, right? Click that bell.